for their Three Little Dogs, episode 101. The last time we went up to Canada, our power stopped working. As we head back to the Pacific Northwest, we wonder if we'll encounter issues once again. Stay tuned and thank you for joining me.
Hello, everybody. We are back on the road heading up north, and tonight we're going to stop at a RV park near a casino. We'll show you what that looks like. It's probably gonna be chilly, but it's nice weather right now. It's sunny. We're a little bit north of Corning, California, just below Redding and Lake Shasta, at a little rest stop having lunch. Seven Feathers with some snow. Seven Feathers RV Resort. Oh, that's nice. Registration. Oh wow, this place is nice. Please pull forward. Okay. Pretty nice little digs here at the Seven Feathers RV Resort on the other side of the casino. Have a picnic table. It looks like this one has full hookups but no fire pit. That's okay. We're only here for the night. Chewbacca is getting refreshed. We're right next to the bathrooms and shower. Have a play area. Looks like there's a little park and creek over here. Let's see. You can hear it. Little creek walk. Oh yeah. Very nice and peaceful. Very cool. Nice spot to take a walkies. It's okay, Chewbacca. So they have a clubhouse, registration center, laundry, really nice laundry. Looks like events, restaurants over at the casino, restroom, shower. Oh, that's all private. Like that. Let's see this way. Ooh. It's nice and toasty in here. Something I just showed. Nice clean showers. Man, this is nice. Got the snow-capped hills behind us, and this place is nice. So if you're definitely on your way north or south on I-5, this is right in Canyonville, which is kind of in between Grants Pass and Roseburg. So little elevation, but man, it's like really nice. A lot of amenities, and bathrooms are spotless. So we got spot number one. It's a back in, super convenient, near right next to the bathrooms. Everything's like spick and span clean. And look who I found. Dogs.
Sit tomorrow.
Sit down. Good girl. Sit, hon. Good girl, look. Shake a paw. 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 Okay. Sit. Good girl. That's a good girl. Chewbacca, sit. Sit. Okay, sit. Shake a paw. Yeah.
Oh my
Good
gosh.
girl. Sit.
What a good
Good
girl.
girl. Shake a paw. Yes. Good girl. Okay, sit. Look here. Good girl. No more.
Yay!
Good morning from Seven Feathers RV Resort by the casino. It's a little rainy this morning in true Northwest fashion, but seems to have abated by now, and we are on our way up to Canada. It's about 7:30 a.m. and everybody's getting rolling here as well. Love that view, the snow in the distance. So we have showered and the van is ready. Hopefully our bag proves to be fully watertight, and it's time to flip the chair and flip the chihuahuas. You ready to go, Chewbacca? So our first night was a success. Stopped here. This place has a lot of spots. Looks like 191 total, both sides of this creek, and has a lot of amenities, including cabins if don't have a rig, indoor swimming pool. A lot of people were using that yesterday. There's where all the cabins and yurts are. We were in number 1, so right over here. Numero uno. And over in the casino side, they have a lot of restaurants, coffee shops, etc. We'll try to have a little bit more time, maybe in the summertime when we come back up here, stop here again, get the player's card, because if you do get the player's card, you get about a $20 discount per night staying here, which is pretty cool. It's about 80 bucks and change without the player's card.
We're headed up here to Canada. We're currently stopped in Washington. We're just a little south of Seattle and still have about 3 hours of driving to go. So while here, we won't be doing much. We are here to see my parents since it's been about 5 years since I've seen my parents before COVID, or the last time I saw them was before COVID, and about 2 years ago they went back to the Philippines before I could see them, since restrictions hadn't been lifted back then. So I'm really excited to see my parents and for them to see the little Han Solo. And so we're gonna spend a few days with my parents, and then we'll be heading up to Tofino. It's gonna be rainy or gonna have lots of showers the entire time, but it's okay. It's gonna be about 40s to 50s during the day, and then probably like around 20 something, 30 something at nighttime. So it's gonna be very chilly for the dogs. So Han Solo has her little sweater on that she inherited from the Bale Organa. And so after we are gonna spend a few days in Tofino, so we will show you around there, and then afterwards we'll head back to Vancouver, BC, and then head back home to California. So it'll be a quick trip, but we won't be doing too much while in Vancouver since we're going to be spending time with family, but we will definitely show you around Tofino. So stay tuned. We are almost to Canada, and the last time we were here was in the summer of last year, where we ran into issues with our Volta. Thankfully, we have no further issues with our Volta. Power is at 100, almost 100% power charges with driving back last year. If you guys have seen our oldest videos, we did run into Volta issues where our Volta was not charging when we drove, but it would charge only when we were connected to shore power. Thankfully, the Volta van builders, or Warner Vans, helped us, and Storyteller helped us get our Volta fixed, and since then we haven't encountered any problems with our van. So stay tuned. We are off. We just got gas, so we're about to head out driving again. We'll have about 3 more hours before we get to Vancouver, BC.
This is like less people than last time. Not even a lineup at all.
Welcome to Canada.
Bienvenue, Canada.
Don't cut the Let's go here.
We'll stick with this one. There's 2 people there. There's only 1 here. This guy's going.
Hi everyone, we are back in Canada, and this time we're with Honey's first time in Canada. We're so happy to be back here, back home to see my parents for the first time in 5 years. So stay tuned. We will be visiting family and then back in a few days to see Tofino. And dogs got through okay, all our stuff got through okay. They didn't ask us too many questions, just what we're doing here in Canada. So see you guys soon. Bedtime with the Storyteller van doggies, chihuahuas. Chewbacca is not minding Han Solo being next to her. Chewbacca has to lay on her own bed because she's on Lasix, which is a water pill for her heart. So she has to wear a diaper and on top of this pad because sometimes she gets into an accident. So this is to keep her bed dry. Han Solo is very happy, and so is Boba. First night in Canada. Happy to be home. We'll see you all tomorrow morning.